Hello, my friends. Hope you are all doing well. I am just gonna make sure that we are good to go on my Facebook page. I have my laptop down here to answer any questions, but we are here for some details of my upcoming butterfly class, as well as sneak peeks. But I'm just gonna refresh my screen really quick. And as you pop on, say hello. And okay, I have my laptop down here. I'm just gonna give it one more second to allow people to find me and pop on. But as you come on, say hello. We are showing some sneak peeks of my upcoming butterfly class that closes this week, as well as giving you some of the details and what you are going to get in that class. But I'm going to make sure I can see comments, but if you are here live, say hello to me, just so I can make sure that the comments are showing up, because sometimes they like to show up and sometimes they don't. Okay, well, we're going to go ahead and get started. For those of you that are new to my page, my name is Tammy Savello, and welcome to Cards by TLC. And I am here to give you the details of my upcoming butterfly class that closes this Wednesday, January 15th. Perfect. Thank you so much, Patty, for sharing. That closes this Wednesday, January 15th. And in this class, we are creating, here is the flyer for those of you that might be looking for it on my social media page, but this is what the flyer looks like. And we're going to be creating 8 cards. And in a minute here, I'm going to show you the sneak peeks of what those cards are going to be like. But we are making 8 cards. And in the class, you will need to have pre-purchased either through myself, or if you are a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, you will want to pre-purchase let's flip this around, the Beautiful Butterflies bundle. This is the featured bundle in the class. Like I said, we're making 8 projects. You are also going to be receiving a quarter of a pack of the beautiful bokeh 6x6 designer paper that we're going to be using on all of our projects. You will also receive a 2 yards of these striped trims ribbon. You're going to be receiving a full container of the itty bitty bokeh mix. That's going to be for our shaker card. There'll be enough here to make more shaker cards if you would like. And then you will also be receiving a full packet of the antique pearls that you're going to be using on your projects. I've already done some of that, but you're going to receive plenty to make a lot of other projects that you would like to make. But who would like to see some sneak peeks? I know that's probably what you're here for. The class is $35 with $10 priority shipping. And like I said, you'll be receiving all of the supplies to make 8 cards that include a gift card holder, shaker cards, fun folds, standard cards, all the fun. And you will also be invited to our private Facebook group that myself and Patty and I do classes together for. This is an exclusive group for people who have purchased the class. So once you have purchased a class from us, you will be invited to that private Facebook group where we have prize patrols, gifts, all kinds of fun, people sharing their projects. You'll want to be a part of that. So let's go ahead and show the samples. It looks like that's what we're here for, right? So we have this beautiful, of course we're going to do blues with Azure Afternoon Butterfly. There is our just a standard card there. We have this beautiful card that showcases the the hybrid embossing folder. Oh, that's also included in the, when you purchase the bundle, it's a hybrid bundle. It does include the 3D embossing folder that will come with that bundle. I almost forgot the most important part. Look how amazing this embossing folder is. So we have that one. And then another one that is all 3D embossing with that bokeh paper. Look how stunning. Growing up, yellow was my favorite color. So there is yellow. And now we have our shaker card. Look how fun that is. All kinds of fun in the shape of a butterfly. And this is a faux shaker card. So I'll teach you how to do that in the class. So we have our little shaker card that has the beautiful ribbon in it. We have this amazing die that's part of the bundle. It creates a nice, almost like a fun fold, flap up card. I'll teach you how to do that. Little bit of a teaser. I did already make this card on one of my lives, so be sure to head over to Cards by TLC and watch how I created that. But this is part of the class. And then we have a beautiful Calypso Coral card. And then we have a gift card holder. Look how fun that is, in Calypso Coral again. And then a fun fold gift card holder that is using the Lemon Lolly. I haven't used Lemon Lolly in a while, so this was fun to see that. So those are the 8 projects that we will be creating in the class. Again, you will need to purchase the Beautiful Butterflies hybrid bundle. So if you are a demonstrator, you'll want to do that. Otherwise, you can purchase the bundle from me. And then again, you'll be getting a 1/4 of a pack of the bokeh paper, the striped ribbon, a full pack of the antique pearls, and a full container of the itty bitty bokeh mix. So does anybody have any questions if you are live here in the chat? I don't see any questions. I'll let you guys go. This was quick and easy, but registration, I'll include that in the link in this video, as well as I'm going to be sending out an email a little bit later on this morning, early afternoon, to all of my followers that have subscribed to my newsletter, as well as my current customers. So if you would like to be part of that, be sure to go to cardsbytlc.com and go ahead and off to the right hand side that says subscribe to newsletter. Be sure you have hit that subscribe button. That's where I send out all of my emails to upcoming classes that Patty and I are doing together. It's a fun group to be a part of. Patty and I love to partner together. This one is a solo one on my end, but yeah, we have an upcoming with the annual catalog. We've got a really good upcoming mega class coming down the pipe, but I have a couple of classes coming down the pipe. We have the butterfly one, and then I am going to be doing a one sheet wonder class. So I'm excited to do that as well. So be sure that you have hit that subscribe button off to the right hand side of my website. It's www.cardsbytlc.com, and make sure you've hit that subscribe button to my newsletter so you get all of the upcoming details. But I don't see any questions. I want to thank you all for joining me today. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Registration again closes this Wednesday, January 15th. And then packets will be mailed out on February 5th. And the video links will be emailed out on February 21st. Now, you don't have to be available on that specific day. This is not a live video. They are pre-recorded videos. So you can watch at your own pace. If you're a slower crafter and want to pause the video, you don't have to keep up with me as I craft along. You can craft along with me, or you can pause and rewind as many times as you can. So, again, the video links will be emailed out to you on February 21st. Packets will be mailed out on February 5th, and registration does close on January 15th. Again, it's $35 plus shipping and handling of priority mail. So your total would be a total of $45. Again, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Otherwise, I will see you all tomorrow for my Teach It Tuesday with Tammy and Jenny. So be sure to join me tomorrow at 11 right here on my Facebook page. Bye, everyone.